Well, Don Benton's new one coming out the trailer. And
let's come on back. Got to move forward a little bit. Come on back. Having all right on that?
yeah. So this is it, Don? This is it?
Yeah, I hope so. Good, Gary. Good drop down, all right? I believe it'll be all right, John.
Don, tell me about the new car.
I don't know nothing about it. We just rolled it out the trail.
68 Camaro, 69?
68.
68.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful one. So
This is my new teacher to be wife right here.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Until my present wife sees it.
until she see it. Then it might be for sure. So are you gonna grudge race that car? Or are you gonna?
I love it that you have the old body style. I like 68 Nightmares are my favorite, and then 70 and 71 Novas, but I hate that new body style on my Camaro.
I love the
That's beautiful.
I love
Are you
the
driving
GTO.
down?
Yeah.
Is the GTO yours too?
Yeah. Well.
Look at all the trouble.
It's all in the family.
You know the Hilton are going
What happened?
Yeah, Don, I do believe that that is your future wife. Because when this go, you know it going.